Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout time on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section, and here you can find this option sleep. You can set this time to the 15 or 30 seconds, 1, 2, 5, 10 or even 30 minutes, or just never, no sleep. I'll just set it on 2 and we'll be glad with that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.